With the new year upon us, we want to show you how we assist our clients in reaching their fitness goals. When trying to change eating habits, our clients must consume the correct amount of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. We have an advanced algorithm that allows us to provide the correct amount of these nutrients based on each client's goals. It is also important that the body gets the nutrients it needs at the correct time of day. For this reason, our menu splits meals up into breakfast, lunch, and dinner meals on specific days. Having a structured plan for eating healthy meals aids in keeping clients on track and maximizes the effectiveness of the meal plan. Another important aspect of a good meal plan is having meals that are portioned to the correct size. When cooking on your own, it can be tough to portion the exact amount of micro and macronutrients your body needs every time. This is why we take care of this step, so our clients can eat without worrying about the amount of food they have. The meal spotlight this week will be our ground beef and eggplant moussaka. Success in a new diet is dependent on two things: hitting your target macronutrients and having those macros come from the correct source. We choose lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and better fats in our process to provide a calculated algorithm that helps our clients achieve their fitness goals. Our cooking techniques will play a major role in our clients' New Year's goals. The wrong cooking techniques will add empty calories, add tons of fat to your daily consumption, reduce the flavor of the meals, eliminate excitement from your routine, and increase the temptation to violate your new eating pattern. The last point we want to talk about is our free 90-day synced training program. When this program is paired with our meals, it allows full control of your metabolism, calorie consumption, calorie burning, and macro consumption. This allows us to provide a comprehensive and calculated service to help our client to achieve their results. On Wednesday, we focus on cooking our Moussaka ground beef and assembling the dish. We first mix it with our eggs and layer the dish with the ground beef on the bottom. Next, we add the mashed potatoes, then eggplant, and finish it off with our bechamel sauce. Once assembled, we bake it for 20 to 30 minutes until it is ready to be plated. We focus on flavor, freshness, and variety, which will help you stick to your new routine with joy. This is why we have a variety of 15 separate meals every week: 5 breakfasts, 5 lunches, and 5 dinners. The variety we provide allows you to customize your meal plan so that you can be excited with your new lifestyle. This will also help you avoid the temptation to go away from your new diet, which can ruin your fitness goals. Our goal here at Meal Prep Sunday is to provide you with the tools that will help you achieve your goal, and it will help you take you to the next level in all aspects of life. On Thursday, we portion our ground beef moussaka dish. After portioning, we plate it with our bechamel sauce. After everything is plated, we'll seal the meals using our advanced packing technology, which allows us to decrease the oxygen inside the container down to 1% and slow the oxidation process down drastically. We strongly recommend the meals be consumed within 5 to 7 days of delivery, but because of the technology's ability to reduce the oxygen in the container, the meals can last up to 12 days. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video.